Choosing a Brazilian wax style isn't just a trend. It should fit your comfort level and daily routine. Today, we are breaking down various Brazilian wax styles. This way, you can confidently choose what suits you best. Let's discover your personal wax vibe. Brazilian waxing is often seen as a cosmetic choice. However, it goes beyond that. For many, it's about hygiene and personal comfort. Different styles cater to different lifestyles. It all depends on how active you are and how much maintenance you prefer. Today, we'll explore popular styles, including full removal, minimalist options, and unique designs. Remember, there's no right or wrong choice. Choose what aligns with your day-to-day life. Full removal is ideal for active lifestyles. Athletes and swimmers often opt for low maintenance. This choice helps them feel fresher and freer during workouts. It reduces worries about upkeep, simplifying their routines. Many find this simplicity boosts their confidence significantly. Minimalist styles like landing strips balance neatness and personal preference. They maintain a natural look while offering cleanliness. This style works well with everyday clothing and swimwear. It requires moderate care, enough to feel polished without hassle. Many appreciate this practical elegance as it's adaptable to their lives. Shaped styles, such as triangles or custom designs, allow for individuality. Many enjoy how these styles encourage body awareness. Mindful grooming can enhance self-expression. Choosing your shape can empower you, reflecting your unique style and confidence. Remember, there's no best Brazilian wax style. The goal is to find what fits your lifestyle perfectly. Think about your activity level, clothing, comfort preferences, and maintenance routine. Grooming should support your daily life, becoming self-care rather than a chore. If this video helped you understand your options, share your preference in the comments. For more wellness content on hygiene, skincare, and confidence, subscribe to MTH Health. Explore our upcoming videos to enhance your wellness journey.